Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to this information section for the Master of Professional Accounting program. The Master of Professional Accounting program, the MPA program, was offered by the School of Accounting and Finance of the Faculty of Business. And we are the longest established accountancy school in Hong Kong with a history dating back to the 1972. And we're also the first provider of professional accounting education in Hong Kong. Our school have over 100 full-time academic staff specializing in different areas. Now, for this Master of Professional Accounting program with 2 exit points, apart from the master degree, students can also offer the postgraduate diploma, which enable non-accounting degree holder to get intensive accounting skill and knowledge so that they're able to get the exemption from professional bodies. Students can take the program in full-time and part-time mode. For full-time option, it means that you take 9 or more credit in one semester. That means 3 or more subjects. If you take the part-time option, you can take less than 3 subjects in one semester. For full-time student, you need to attend class both in the daytime as well as in the evening. It's possible that class may be held on weekday evening and during the weekend. For full-time student, they can complete the program within 1 year. For part-time student, for the master degree, you have to take 2 years, whereas for the postgraduate diploma, you can complete the program in 1.5 years. Students taking the postgraduate diploma have to complete 7 core subjects, including accounting for corporations, accounting for strategic management, auditing framework, financial reporting environment, Hong Kong tax framework, management accounting, and managerial finance. For students who take the master program, they have to take additionally 2 compulsory subjects, including accounting theory and corporate governance, and 3 electives. So you can see that we offer a number of electives, including the last one, which is newly added in last year, which is the business analytics in accounting and finance. That means totally a student will take 12 subjects to complete the master program. Students can also choose 1 subject from the Faculty of Business common pool elective. Okay, so that student can widen the knowledge in some other area. So master degree, you have to complete 12 subjects. And for the postgraduate diploma, 7 subjects. The entrance requirement of this program is a bachelor degree in business awarded by a recognized tertiary institution. So what's the definition of a business degree? Applicant who have completed subject in accounting, business law, economic, statistics, management and marketing are deemed to be business degree holder. We also accept non-business degree holder, but they have to complete those relevant fundamental business subjects in order to fulfill the entrance requirement. Usually, in June and July every year, would offer the business law course in order to help the student to fulfill the entrance requirement. A special feature of this program is that applicants possessing professional designation, that is, members of Hong Kong CPA, ACCA, or CPA Australia, with substantial professional experience, or Master of Corporate Governance awarded by PolyU will be able to get credit transfer of up to 1/2 of the program curriculum. That means they are required to take 2 compulsory subjects and 4 electives, a total of 6 subjects to get the master degree. Therefore, part-time students can complete the program within 1 year. The program received recognition from different professional bodies. For the Hong Kong ICPA, graduate can claim exemption of up to 10 modules in the new QP examination. Graduate can also get exemption up to 9 papers from the ACC exam. For CPA Australia, graduate can apply for associate membership and enroll the CPA program. Graduate can also get exemption from 2 papers in the Certified Tax Advisor examination held by the Hong Kong Institute of Taxation. Last but not least, graduate can also claim exemption from 3 papers in the Hong Kong Chartered Governing Institute's professional examination. The program offers scholarship at different levels. At the program level, outstanding student will be awarded scholarship. They will also be nominated for the Outstanding Academic Achievement Award offered by the school. And we also have scholarship offered by professional bodies. Those scholarships usually in the form of waiving of the examination fees and the registration fee. Your investment in the program. For master program, the tuition fee is $318,800. And for the postgraduate diploma, the fees is $185,850. The program has been included in the list of reimbursable costs for continuing education fund purposes. Application has started now, and early application is recommended because we admit students on a rolling basis. So in case you apply earlier, then the chance for getting into the program may be higher. We will admit a total of 100 students. The first round would end on the 16th of November, and the main round will end on the 30th of April 2024. We would invite candidates for interview starting from December, and we'll try to give the offer as soon as possible. You may submit your online application through this link. polyu.edu.hk/study/PG. Now, these are the feedback from our graduate. For academic matter, you can send me the email or give me a call. And for the administrative issue, you may contact my colleague, Ms. Eva Choi. And you can also find further information about the program at the program homepage. Okay, so I guess that you may get the information from our program homepage. Therefore, I guess that the most important thing is that you have some question, and therefore this will be the Q&A time. So try to answer the question that you may have. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, very good. A good question. Yes, we would have a subject on corporate governance. You can see that for the master program, then you have to take 7 core subjects, 2 compulsory. Compulsory subject including corporate governance. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure whether or not you have also attended the information session about another program, which is the Master of Science in Accountancy. Now, then some students say, what is the major difference between these 2 programs? Now, for the Master of Professional Accounting program, basically, we are accredited by professional body. So in case you would like to be a qualified accountant in Hong Kong, you have to take the examination held by various professional body. And we got exemption from those accounting bodies. Okay, so in case you are a non-accounting degree holder, then you would like to say start your career in accounting, then of course this should be the one that's suitable for you. Okay, but in case some people say I'm already an accounting graduate, and perhaps I would like to say do something research related area, then I guess Master of Science in Accountancy may be more appropriate because in that program they have the dissertation component. You can take the dissertation and taste the work in doing thesis. Mm-hmm. So Master of Science in Accountancy program is mainly catered for the accounting degree holder, whereas this program is mainly catered for non-accounting degree holder. But in any case, we also welcome accounting degree holder because you can see that in case you are membership of those professional body, you can claim exemption from the first 6 subjects, right? So therefore, that means we welcome both accounting and non-accounting degree holder. In case you are already in a professional accounting, you can move to the second stage of the program. But in case you are non-accounting degree holder, then you need to get those intensive training in accounting, then we would look into the focus, the core subject. Okay, the core subject basically would be for non-accounting degree holder to acquire intensive training in accounting so that they will be able to cope with those professional examinations offered by various professional bodies. Yeah. For the master program, we charge the fees based on the subject that you have taken. So for every single subject, then you have to pay the fee for individual subject. But some students, they would like to take more subject because some courses they may be interested in. Then before they graduate, they can actually take more than 36 credit. For a program, students need to complete 36 credit in order to graduate. But for some students who like to take another, say, one more elective, then they can. But they have to pay the fees for additional subject that they are going to take. Now, I'll show you the information that the fee is per program. Basically, per program, that means we have 12 subjects. You take 12 subjects, therefore, in total, $318,000. When you would like to take one more additional, you have to pay for that additional subject. It's not a fixed charge for the whole program. Alternatively, some students, they can apply for credit transfer. If you are successfully apply for the credit transfer, you pay less because we charge the fees based on the subject that student had taken. So in case you get credit transfer for one or two subjects, then you can pay less. Okay? Yes.
May I ask, if my bachelor's degree is in accountancy, can I get credit transfer if I apply to this program?
Thank you for your question. Yes, in case a student undergraduate is in accounting, then they will be able to apply for credit transfer. But I would like to okay, so let's make you more information on that. For accounting student, then I guess that they should be familiar with those subjects already. So our policy will be, you have to complete 2 subjects in that area before you can apply, because based on undergraduate study, this one is master program. So therefore, you have to take 2 subjects at least. Say you have intermediate accounting, 1 and 2, you have advanced financial accounting, then you may be able to get the credit transfer for the subject here. Okay, say management accounting. You may have taken management accounting 1, management accounting 2 subjects together, then you can get the credit transfer. So usually students can get credit transfer for 2 subjects, which is management accounting and managerial finance. But in case students take the accounting degree in Hong Kong, then they can also get credit transfer for some other subject. Because for our program, we require students to have knowledge in the Hong Kong legal environment and the regulatory requirement. So in case the student not study the accounting degree in Hong Kong, but elsewhere, then they won't cover the Hong Kong element. Then they may have difficulty in getting credit transfer for some other subject. So in that case, management accounting and managerial finance are more generic, so easier to get the credit transfer. But for students who have taken the courses in Hong Kong, then as long as they also fulfill those legal framework in Hong Kong, then they can also get credit transfer from some other subject. So for auditing framework, we need to have some knowledge about the company ordinance in Hong Kong. So therefore, in case the subject is not taken in Hong Kong, then there may be a bit problem for them to get the credit transfer for this auditing framework. Okay, but to go back to your answer, basically, yes, the answer is yes. If you have taken 2 or more subjects in that area in your undergraduate study, you can apply for credit transfer. Okay. No. Okay. Perhaps some of you probably would like to say have consultation individually rather than um, in front of all the audience here. So in any case, I will stay behind and then we can discuss if you have any question, okay, individually. Okay, or of course, in case you would like to raise any question after the session, then you're welcome to send me an email or give me a call. Mhm. Okay. Thank you for joining the information session. I will stay behind and go through any questions with you together. Okay. All right. Thank you.